To keep your fire pit running like new, there are a few things you can do to ensure it's looking and performing at its best. You will need the following tools: dish soap, water, bucket, towel, optional stainless steel cleaner, pliers, 2 wrenches, screwdriver, compressed air, leak check solution, and a toothpick or something of similar size. Remove protective cover. Remove burner cover. Remove glass gems from burner. If necessary, glass gems can be cleaned in a bucket of water mixed with dish soap. Allow glass media to dry on a towel. The burner surfaces can be wiped down with a damp cloth or paper towel. If necessary, compressed air can be used to remove larger debris. A stainless steel cleaner can be used to clean the burner trim. Portholes on the burner sometimes get blocked with small debris, and they can be unclogged using a toothpick or something of similar size. Remove crystal fire burner from fire pit top. Disconnect the metal flex line from the burner orifice. Unscrew orifice from burner to verify if there is any debris, frozen water, etc. in the neck of the burner. Use a pliers or screwdriver to remove any debris in the burner neck. Compressed air may be needed to clean out the burner neck completely. Ensure all blockages are removed before continuing. Screw in orifice to orifice bracket and connect metal flex line using 2 wrenches to tighten the fittings. Check other gas connections to make sure they are tight at the valve. If tightening is needed, make sure to use 2 wrenches. Check the sparker connections from the burner to the sparker box. Make sure they are plugged in and the AAA battery is replaced. Put burner back in. Check electrode in burner for visible spark. There should be a 1/8 to a 3/16 inch gap from the end of the electrode to the wind guard. Make sure gas valve on the base is in the off position and connect the LP tank. Slowly open the valve on the LP tank or turn the natural gas supply valve. Push in sparker button and slowly open gas valve on the table. Check flame for any irregularities or any smell of gas. Check gas connections with commercially available leak check solution, and if gas is smelled, shut off immediately. Put glass gems into burner. Clean off fire pit top and base with a damp cloth. If the top is stainless steel, a commercially available stainless steel cleaner is recommended. If the top is supercast, resealing it with concrete sealer may be needed. Tighten screws on glass guard clips and set on fire pit top. Clean glass guard with Windex and a paper towel. Now that your setup is complete, you can enjoy a nice warm fire around your outdoor GreatRoom Company fire pit table.